HTML table tutorial. Open Notepad++. Save the file as table.html. And HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Save my file to the desktop. Drag it right here so you can see it. I'll begin by opening a web frame. HTML tag, open tag, the left arrow, HTML, right arrow. Say bracket. This is the opening HTML opening bracket. Close. This is a closing bracket. The difference is this / goes in front of the element's name. Say open and body tag. Closing body tag. Everything that goes inside the body tag will appear on the web page. Okay, and we'll be making an HTML table. You see, just open tag, left arrow, table, right arrow. Space it down a few times. We'll make it in tag. Closing tags, open and close tag. That's close tags, open tag. Okay, table row. Just do a table row. Create 4 of these. Open TR, close TR. TR is table row. Open and close, open and close. And we'll do 4. Just like that. Space it out appropriately and tab twice. And the top of the table, this will be the top of the table. It will be called table head, which is TH. Do 3 of these. Open and close. TH open. Open and close has to have this /. That's the only difference. You have to auto close it or you'll have an error on your page. This is table head. Next, be table data. If you're trouble keeping up, quick pause. Like that. So, inside the table row, you have table head. The first row is table head. Second row is table data. And the same with the following rows after that. So, tab twice. Table data, open. Table data, close. Enter. Table data, open. Table data, close. Enter. Open. And close, just like that. And then one more set. Just one more. Alright. Just like that. Okay, we have inside we have 4 table rows. 1 table row. Inside that is table head. Second table row is table data. Third table row is table data. Fourth table row is table data. Alright, table head is merely the top of the table. Okay. Let's call this sports, and then we will list sports. Okay. The first is actually the left side of the table, and so on and so on. Okay, sports. Let's do tennis, soccer, golf. Sports is tennis, soccer, and golf is a list of sports. Okay. Next is pets. Pets will be horse, dog, cat, and then we'll call this languages. More importantly, it will be computer languages, programming languages, that we're not thrown off when I start naming them. There's languages, and inside of that, actually this will be beneath it. Alright, and we'll say PHP, HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It's actually a markup language. So, JavaScript, just like that. You can pause the video anytime. If it looks complicated, you don't have to worry. It takes a few tries to where it doesn't look complicated. It takes a little bit of practice. It's a lot easier with time. That should do it for that. Okay, Google Chrome, open it up. If you don't have Google Chrome, you should get it. If you don't have Notepad++, you can save the video and download it for free off the internet. Okay, save and click X. Alright, drag into the web address bar, and there's your first HTML table. Okay, it needs to be aligned, it needs to be styled. So I'll show you some CSS. CSS is used for styling the web page, and in this case, styling this table, which is contained inside of the web page. And CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheet. Alright, has to be above the body. This part, I will be using what is called the internal. It's called, let's see, CSS internal method. Internal CSS method. Which way to put it? Okay, we need to style the table head and table data. 2, 3, 4. We would do table even with TH, and TD is what it is. And you type TH, comma, space, TD, space, and then you have a left curly bracket. Press enter just a few times, maybe 4 times. That's what I usually do. You do 4, and then a right curly bracket. And in the middle, tap twice to line it up. See, we will style it now. We'll do a padding. Padding at 20 pixels. This way it's not so close together. It looks jumbled. We'll show you each element what it does. Padding 20 pixels. Okay. I did not list it right. That's how I know it didn't list it right when it shows it like that. Okay, what did I do wrong? Oh, I see what I did wrong. I have to initiate it by making a style tag. Okay, I'll leave it just like that. Because I can make a mistake. I'm experienced. I can make mistakes. It's a rare mistake, but unless I didn't make it. You have to open and close it by making an open and close style tag. Okay, just like that. It has to be above the body tag. You should see that now. Yeah, see the difference? That is a padding function. Let's do a little less of a padding function. It's going to be a little less next. It's still not too much. Okay, border. Let's get a border. And 1 pixel solid gray. And click save. I want too quick. So now you see the problem here. There's a space between each border. You don't want that, and it's a little too narrow. The table is kind of jammed in there. It's like crammed. Yeah. Okay. Let's go down here and let's use the general style method. Okay, I'll show you how to close the gap. There's little gaps in the border right there. Okay. It's called border collapse, or a hyphen. You can see my Notepad++ automatically suggests it. Border collapse will be set to collapse. Semicolon to close. It's border hyphen collapse colon border hyphen collapse colon collapse semicolon. Let's do width because it's too narrow, it's too jumbled. Okay, then we'll fix those two problems. Just like that. You see the difference? The border collapse fixed that, and the width fixed the crammed part of it. Now let's do a text align center because it's not aligned. See how it's here and then that's on the left side. Okay, let's do a text align center. Text text align, not text align. Text hyphen align, colon center semicolon to use. Border hyphen collapse, colon collapse semicolon. Just like that. There, that's better. This is an HTML table. We're styling. Let's do box shadow. Box hyphen shadow colon. It'll be 15 pixels. 3 times. Gray. You have a space here, here, and here. On the left side, you would just have a hyphen between the words. On the right side, you would have space, and you have a colon in between, and a semicolon has to end it. Just like that right there. Click save. I don't have to drag and drop because it's already listed in the web browser. See what the box shadow does? Okay. Alright. Let's give it a background color. We can do that. It's just, okay, that works. If you want to make it separated, you can do table head down here, table data. You can do it separated. I'll show you how to do that real quick. That's the table head up top. Table data can be at the bottom. Just list it separately. It's very simple. Okay. If it looks complicated, that's only because you haven't practiced it yet. You're not used to it. Okay, like that, and I can do a background color. Here's some blue. Table head. No, it's table data. Go up here. I'll put the background color on the table head. It's really simple to do. Just like that. So table head is padding 10 pixels, border 1 pixel, solid gray, and background color is blue. Table data is the styling is padding 10 pixels, border 1 pixel, solid gray. Okay. Yeah, if you have trouble keeping up, click pause, click rewind. Okay, is that a difference? Okay. That's the table head, table data. You can style it differently if you want to. You can have background color on it if you like. In the table head, I can make a font size bigger, just like this. It's 130%. And if I want to make a font color, then you just type color. You don't type font color. You just do color. Font color would work. So you color it white. If you want to color it white, just any color you want to make it. Just teaching you how the structure works. You can style it however you like. It's the difference. Okay, maybe one more thing. I like to use font family Candera, and I'll show you that. I'm going to use that. Use it right here. Font family is Candera. Font hyphen family colon Candera semicolon. Okay. You said font a lot. Quite a lot. Okay, I like that better at least. This is your HTML table. You can work on the styling however you like. I'm telling you basics, very simple styling, and tell you the HTML table. Alright. And let's see. Let's open on the browser. I use it quite more often. And go to my website, randymyers.me, spelled M-Y-E-R-S. There are various ways to spell Myers. Mine is myers.me. The .com version was not available, so I had to pick .me anyway. And I have more tutoring here. I have a course that I'm building that should be open very, very soon. Just a few days from now. May already be open already, depending on when you're watching the video. You can click subscribe, click like on YouTube. So it would be very, very much appreciated. Thank you for watching my video. Okay.